Good morning friends, welcome to my channel Venky's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a yummy curry which you all will like, and so I am going to show you a delicious mouth-watering crab curry. Okay, so please watch these crabs which we have already cleaned it. I will try to show you how to clean the crab also, probably in this video or maybe in the next video. So this crab actually, these are all small crabs. Actually I was looking for the big size crabs, but unfortunately I could not get it. You can see these are the small crabs, and these are called blue crabs. Okay, there are many varieties of crabs which I will tell you in the later other videos. So crab, actually people who knows about crab, they know the delicious taste of crabs, and especially my channel is about being heartful and passionate while cooking. The meaning behind that, actually this channel, actually what we have started recently because of my passion towards cooking, and whenever I cook with very heartful, so naturally when you start cooking with your heartfulness, the taste is always delicious, no matter what you add in it. Dry chilies, you need to soak in the water for some time, maybe 10-15 minutes, then you can paste it in the grinder, and this is the consistency. And I will be using ginger, grated ginger, pepper, tomatoes, garlic. Garlic, you need to cut it into small pieces. Okay, onions, grated onions, small pieces. And these are the spices: cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon, star spice, and cardamom. Also spices, this is coriander powder, we made into powder, red chili, turmeric, and seafood masala, and salt for your taste. Also we will take coriander leaves and little tamarind for making paste. Friends, I have taken mustard oil, which I have already added in the pan. Okay, mustard oil is good for health, as well as it's always preferable for cooking non-veg and especially seafood. Okay, so I am adding now spices, all the spices. You need to fry little until you get the smell, the spicy smell. Then add your finely grated onions. Saute for some time till it is brown color. Friends, I am adding a little ginger garlic paste. Friends, you have seen onions are fully fried up, almost 10 minutes over. So I am going to add the spice masalas, okay, so that all gets properly mixed before we add crabs. Yeah, friends, already spice masalas has been added. You can see the color, how reddish it is. You can add more chili powder if you need, but we are going to add red chili paste, so that is the reason we have added only little spice powders. Now I am going to add tomatoes. Saute for some time till the tomatoes get tasted, well cooked. Friends, onions has been fully boiled up, fried up. Okay, so I am going to add crabs now. Okay, so properly mix the crabs until all the masalas, onion flavor, everything gets to the crab. I still have to add red chili paste and the garlics and ginger, which I am going to do after little bit fried up after frying the crabs, so that the flavors doesn't go. Okay friends, have a look closely. The crab's color has been changed. If you can notice, the blue has been changed to red. Okay, it's well fried. So I am going to add now red chili paste. Okay, just 2 spoons or 1 more spoon to add the spice up. Usually crabs is always preferred spicy, yeah, for tastiness, and you can very well enjoy it. Friends, have a look. The crab looks very delicious, yummy. Hope you will enjoy by cooking this same style of crab curry, and keep me comments. Still I need to add some more spices. Yeah, I am adding now tamarind paste, which has been mixed in water. Little bit sourness will be there, so that we will get good taste. Adding now garlic and ginger, which has been slightly smashed for getting more flavor. You can see the pepper. I will add only little, because otherwise it will be more spicy, because we have already added red chili paste. Saute for 2 minutes and close the lid so that the flavors don't go out. Added coriander leaves and some water, okay, so that you get the delicious. Guys, you have seen, no? I have well mixed the coriander with some water. So you need to keep it for another 10-15 minutes till all the flavors get into the crab. Yeah, then we switch off and it's ready for tasting. Friends, crab curry is ready. It looks very delicious by seeing. You can see the color, very yummy smell. I can't wait. Friends, hope you enjoyed the video. You can also prepare like this and put your comments in the channel about the taste. Okay, there are many varieties to prepare crab curry, but this is one of the style. Friends, the crab curry is ready for serving. I have tasted it. It's very delicious. As I told you, being heartful and passionate while cooking gives you a delicious, yummy, tasty food. Yeah, so always while you cook, see that you are very heartful while cooking. Yeah, obviously you will get a good, tasty food. Thank you for watching this crab curry. Please do put your comments and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.